kids, welcome back to my channel. If you still don't follow me on Instagram, the link is in my description box below. I post there updates for the videos, I post quizzes there, I post vocabulary quizzes there, grammar quizzes, so that it's just, don't seem boring. So for interest, I also post some random weird jokes of German. So today we are going to learn about the body, like about parts of body, the body parts. Die Körperteile. Heute lernen wir die Körperteile. Today we are learning body parts. Also, before jumping to that, to hit the red button, to hit the subscribe button, also click on the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you get a notification. And don't forget to like the video if you really like it. Okay, so der Kopf, the head. Der Kopf, the head. Der Kopf. Kopf takes the article masculine. Der Kopf. Der Körper, the body. Der Körper, the body. Like the whole body, it's der Körper, the body. Der Mund, mouth. Der Mund, mouth. Mund also takes the article der Mund. Das Auge, das Auge, eye. Die Augen, eyes. Das Ohr, das Ohr, ear. Das Ohr. Die Ohren, ears, like the plural. Die Ohren. Das Gesicht, the face. Das Gesicht, the face. Die Zunge, tongue. Die Zunge. Die Schulter, shoulder. Die Schulter, shoulder. Die Nase, nose. Die Nase. Nase takes the article feminine. Die Nase. Der Finger. Der Finger. Finger. Der Finger. But we know we have a thumb as well. Like we have fingers in English, we have thumb in English as well. So thumb in German is Daumen. Daumen. Daumen takes the article masculine. Der Daumen. Daumen. Finger. Daumen. Der Bauch. Belly. Der Bauch. Das Bein. Leg. Das Bein. Leg. Das Bein. Die Beine. Legs. There you can. Back. There you can back. Der Fuß. Foot. Der Fuß. Foot. Der Fuß. Der Hals. Neck. Der Hals. Neck. Der Hals. Hals also takes the article masculine. So that's pretty much all for today. That's pretty much all for the body parts. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Der Daumen. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you really like it. Also, click on the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you get a notification. Till then, stay safe. Until next time.